everybody, just got this plastic insert out of its metal bin. So it kind of looks like an old hard disk on the outside, but it's not really an old hard disk. Now we're gonna need to pull the tray out to gain access to the pretty much rest of the majority of this stuff. So right here, you're gonna wanna pull this off and make sure to pull this tray out. Not sure why it's not wanting to come out. Just isn't. Okay. Now here are the rest of the inner workings. Our laser module and its extra components and all that whatnot. So, using a 2.0mm screwdriver, you want to loosen up some springs that are in here. Okay, so using a 2.0mm screwdriver, you want to unscrew this screw right here. Oh my gosh, I might have to get my big boy screwdriver and tack this. God. My gosh, that was in there good. Size is this? I'm not sure what size this screwdriver is. But you're gonna want to unscrew all these other metal screws, like this one and the one on the other side. Get it? Oh my gosh, these OEM screws are tight. Okay, set it aside, and for the third and final screw, now this metal part up here, just pull it straight out. Now there are two smaller screws that we also need to, sorry viewers, undo, and the screws are located here and here. So go ahead and unscrew those two screws. set that aside. And set that aside. Pull the metal plate off. And you will find two rods being held in by springs. Now the spring is held in by one slot on the back. You want to pull that out, and it's located in a back little niche here. I'll show you when I can pull this big metal thing out of its plastic thing. But yeah, loosen the springs and remove. Loosen the springs and remove them. Now these rods, just pull them straight out. Here's our little laser module. And here's our pretty much basic laser module in its whole form. I'll show another video on taking this apart later. But yeah. Now all that's left is the gears in here. I'll pull this tray out. Sorry about that loudness, guys. You might want to turn down your computer volume now. Alright. Yeah, you want to turn down your computer volume now. Okay, you can turn it back up. Okay, there are 4 metal screws holding this metal basin. So you want to unscrew those with a screwdriver, like with this kind of screwdriver. Set it aside. Okay, with all 4 of those screws removed, you can take your tray and just pull it out of there. Now you have your own little plastic. Now you have your little plastic base. And set it aside. Now go back to your 2.0mm Phillips flathead screwdriver and unscrew the 2 small screws holding the motor in. And the motor should automatically fall out. Our CD Rom motor right here. Now, and that's pretty much it. But comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you later, and bye.